shot a video at the ranch, but we got something special for you. Beautiful 72 C10 6-liter LS swap 4-wheel drive, gorgeous truck, owned by Mike and Linda here. We got Mike and Linda. Say hi, guys. And we got Josh. Josh did the swap. Say hey, Josh.
How's it going?
So hey, what are you thinking, Mike? How's
I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
Yeah, give me a little background on this truck. Where'd you get this?
It came from Arizona.
Right.
I looked for quite a long time, and when I saw the paint, I fell in love and bought it. Long story behind it, too long to tell here completely, but
Right.
I'm ultimately glad that after meeting Josh and having this engine put in, engine and trans, I am so thrilled that it's my truck.
Beautiful. It's a gorgeous truck. And little drive down the dirt road here. Ran okay?
Oh, it ran great.
All right.
Very responsive.
Perfect. What do you think, guys?